Architectural Builders Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Actually it's a storm door. It's a higher end storm door, and I have two of those door closers, one at the top, one at the bottom. And because of the recent snow, I'm out here on the East Coast. The wind just completely slammed open the storm door and bent both of those door closers. And that's the second set I've bought probably in the last month. I've been looking for quiet ones. I found some really nice heavy-duty quiet ones, and so I was wondering if you had a solution to the problem before I damage this really expensive door that I bought.
I don't. How is it? How are the door closers becoming destroyed?
The wind will. I have 6 people total in the house, and I made the adjustment for the door closers to close the door firmly, which it does. But on the rare occasion, and it just so happened the other ones lasted for much longer, but in this particular case, the wind, I guess the door didn't close all the way. The person that came into the door didn't realize that, and it was left open, and the wind grabbed it and then just, opened it quickly, and it just bent everything. So,
yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, those types of storm doors are not what we sell, though I'm familiar with them. Those, in terms of storm door closers like that, those are likely the top of the line that would be on that type of door. Having installed those in the past for relatives and whatnot. Going with something commercial in nature is probably not going to be a solution. You'd have to remove one of them, the top one, in fact, and I don't believe it's going to be even remotely elegant, nor do I think it will fit between your two doors. So I don't have an answer for operator error on this one.
Would a combination of the door crash chain work with that, or would it get tangled and everything?
No, I mean, a crash chain is certainly, I assumed one was already installed. A crash chain is installed in such a way that it will not interfere with the surface-mounted closer.
No, it's not. It's not. The storm door didn't come with one. It just came with 2 door closers, no crash chain at all.
Yeah, it should definitely have one because and you would be able to, in a very severe event, of course, a crash chain may not prove effective. I've seen crash chains, get pulled out of doors. You might consider through bolting it through the door by using what's called binding posts. We call them sex bolts when it comes to commercial hardware. For smaller things, they're called binding posts. And that would be very advisable. The crash chains that we have are positively commercial in nature, but then we have some that are intended for residential applications. And if you tell me your email address, I'll send you a link to it.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.